this after what we saw last year?
Well, I think so. You know, he understands that it may not get any better than him jumping over a car and all the attention that he received from him. He's a big man. Bigs aren't that creative when it comes to dunks. So, you know, we love what he does because he does play above the rim, but now with the creativity, are we going to get a plane sometime? Maybe have that plane take it off and have him just jump over the play? I don't think so. Too many infractions there.
All right, we talked about the NBA for a couple of minutes without bringing up Jeremy Lin, and that's a non-shooting foul on him. Lin will be playing in the Rising Stars game on All-Star Weekend. For now, though, we'd like to play a little game called Linsanity or Reality. Okay, this is something new. Now, the Knicks play tonight against the Hornets. Their 7-game winning streak will extend another 4 games. Reality or Linsanity?
It's Linsanity because it can happen. The reality is that they're playing against 2 good teams coming up here, the Dallas Mavericks and the Miami Heat. You know, we understand that it is good what they're doing, but again, it's still